Welcome to the program. We're up to 17 now. Construction company is planning to pour concrete for a driveway. The length of the driveway is 23 feet longer than the width. So we could say width plus 23. Okay? Write an expression for the area. Area is equal to length times width, which is equal to W times W plus 23, which is equal to W squared plus 23W. So that's the first part. Now it wants to know, find the dimensions if your area is equal to 330. So we set it equal to 330. W squared plus 23W equals 330. Okay? This is feet squared. So what we do is we subtract 330 from both sides. We have W squared plus 23W minus 330 feet squared is equal to 0. And then we factor it. So this is our first factoring problem. And so we have to remember what we're going to do. We're going to have products of C and then sum of products. In this case, C is negative 330. So we got to think about what things multiplied negative 330. What if I did negative 33 times 10? Would that give me a positive 23 in the middle? You see how we have a positive 23 here? A positive 23W? We don't. That would sum to negative 23, which is not right. So we have to do, what about 33 and negative 10? If we sum those two, we would get a positive 23. So these are the factors. So we say W plus 33 times W minus 10 equals 0, right? Equals 0. So now we set them both equal to 0, one at a time. So we say W plus 33 equals 0. W equals negative 33. W minus 10 equals 0. W equals 10. Now, this width here, W equals 33, is not a real length. Length can only be positive. So this W equals 10 is the only solution. So if we go back to the picture, or if I just redraw it here, right? We had here a W. Now we know it's 10. And then the original was 23 plus W. This was 23 plus W. So we know now that's equal to 33. So the dimensions are 33 by 10. Okay? That's in feet. So what else do we have? An easier problems now. After that word problem, now we have regular factoring. 18 is G squared minus 9G minus 22. Find the roots, it says. That means, so set it equal to 0 and factor it. All right. Now we have to think about products of C, and then sum of prod. Okay, products of C. What multiplies to negative 22? We could say negative 22 negative 11 and 2. If we did negative 11, negative 11 plus 2, we would get a negative 9. Is that what we have in the middle? Yes. So our factoring is done. We know that it's going to work. It's G minus 11, G plus 2. This is all equal to 0. So now we say g minus 11 is equal to 0. G equals 11. That's one of the roots. G plus 2 equals 0. G equals negative 2. So these are the two roots. They asked for the roots. Those are the roots to number 18. Okay? Thank you for watching.